Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word autonomy. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The company allows its employees a high level of autonomy in decision-making and problem-solving. Autonomy refers to the ability or right of an individual or entity to make independent decisions and act freely without external control or interference. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.